In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your YouTube channel name. So to change your channel name on YouTube, it's very simple and very basic to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to log into your YouTube app. You can do this on the YouTube app and on the YouTube desktop website. So you just want to go to your YouTube account. So let's open up the YouTube app. So once you open up the YouTube app, it will take you to this page. So on here, this is the YouTube home page rather. So once you are here, I want you to check the bottom right corner. So once you check the bottom right corner, you're going to see a rounded shape over there. That is the profile icon. So I want you to tap on that your profile. So once you tap on that your profile, it will take you to this page. On this page, I want you to tap on view channel. So just tap on view channel. So once you tap on the view channel, it will take you to your real channel on YouTube. So what you want to do from here, if you check closely, you're going to see edit channel. I want you to tap on that edit channel. So once you tap on that edit channel, it will take you to this page. On this page, you just want to tap on name. So once you tap on name, to ask you to, you can cancel this this current name. What you just have to do is put in the new name you want, and once you put in the name, just gonna tap on save, and your YouTube name will be changed successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually change your YouTube channel name and save it on YouTube. So guys, I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.